Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to master your fretboard. Okay, then the notes on the first position. Okay, you can see my fingers. So uh, let me start with the first note, which is note B. Okay, so we have B. Now I'm working with the scale of C. So now I have B. Then that's the first note here, B. So let me first spell out the notes. So we have B, we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then A. So those are the notes. Now, what are the fingers we use to play them? Now, it's very, very good. You have a very good fingering for your skills. Okay, so as this will also enable you to speed up when you play your scales. Okay, so we have the first finger. So if I need to do that, these are my fingers here. This is finger 1, 2, 3, and finger 4. So from the first position, we have finger 1 plays the open note. That's the root note. Okay, so but I'm putting my fingers in case if I have to play other keys. That finger helps me to also manage my fretboard. Okay, so I have the first note, B, which will be played with my the pointing finger. Okay, so that's the finger 1. Then the second note is C, B, then C. That's the second note. Then we have finger 4. So I have on the first string, the up, counting from the up, I have B, C, then D, which will be played with finger 1, 2, 4. Then I go to the next string here. We have, that's the first one is 1, 2, 4. The second string from the up. So we have 1, then 2, 4 again. So I go back again. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Okay, let me take that again. 1, 2, 4. Then 1, 2, 4. So the same thing I did earlier, I'm doing same thing on the second one. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Okay, so the notes I will be taking are B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then A. Okay, so to play these notes, I have finger 1, 2, 4. The next one, 1, 2, 4. The next one, 1, 3, 4. Then 1, 3, 4. 1, 3. I'll take that again from the top again. Yeah, 1, 2, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 4 again. Then the next one, 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Then 1, 3. So those are the fingers to play that very first position. So after doing that, make sure you practice it over time. It helps you to master it. So ascending and descending order. So I go again. Now you just listen to me while I play it. So you make sure you practice it until you can play it as fast as this. Okay, so having said that, I will quickly go to the next position. So the notes for that, okay, let me just run through it. So starting, okay, so starting from the this is the first fret, okay, second, third, and fourth. Okay, so but before I continue, if you are new to this very channel, please do well, as this will encourage us to subscribe. Okay, and don't forget, you can always do this after subscribing. Don't forget, you can always make comments and so have video suggestions you want us to do, as we also attend to this. So do well to subscribe, to share, and your likes also. These are encouragements you can give to us. Okay, so on the second position, okay, I have D, E, F, G, A, then I have slight shift here, then B, C, D, E, F, G, A, then back C, B, then back to C. I take that again. Okay, so the notes are D, E, this is F, then I have G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, then back to C. Okay, so now let's look at the fingers we used to play them. I have this one, I'm taking the first notes with our pointing finger again. So that's finger one, then this time I have finger 3, then I have finger 4. Okay, so after this, I have this same finger 1, place the next note down, the next string. Now that's finger 1, then this time I have finger 3. Then from this place, it's a bit tricky, but make sure you have little shift. This finger that was playing this now shifts to this part. Okay, so then I'll continue. That is note B. Then your finger 2 plays the note C. Then finger 4, finger 1 again on the next string. Okay, finger 1. Then you have finger 2. Then you have finger 4. You have finger 1 on the next string now. You have finger 1, then finger 3, then lastly finger 4. So I'll run through that from up, down, ascending, and descending order. Okay, so I'll take it slowly. So after learning this, like I said earlier, it's best you learn to play them fast. Okay, so I just did a quarter note, that's crotchets. Okay, so you can try to speeding up, do them in minims, that's 8 notes. Okay, so you can do that.